Why your budget isn't working and the budgeting mistakes keeping you broke might have nothing to do with discipline, and everything to do with the way you were taught to budget in the first place. Let me explain. Every month, millions of people around the world sit down with good intentions. They open a spreadsheet, download a budgeting app, promise themselves this month will be different. And for about 5 days, everything goes beautifully. Then life happens. Your friend invites you out. Your phone charger mysteriously disappears. A limited type online. And suddenly your budget collapses faster than a cheap umbrella in a thunderstorm. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most budgets fail not because you're bad with money, but because the system itself is broken. And today, we're fixing it. Welcome to Wealth Empire TV, the channel where we build wealth from the ground up. Even if you're starting with very little. And quick favor before we dive in. If you're serious about building wealth from scratch, hit that like button right now and subscribe to Wealth Empire TV. Your next money move starts here. Right, tea ready? Let's talk about the 5 budgeting mistakes that quietly sabotage your money, and more importantly, how to fix them. Most people don't create budgets. They create financial fan fiction. You know what I mean. You sit down and suddenly you're the most disciplined human on earth. Groceries, $200. Dining out, $0. Shopping, absolutely none. Brilliant. Except 3 days later, you're tired, hungry, and staring at a food delivery app like it's your emotional support animal. And there goes the budget. Here's the practical fix. Instead of building a perfect budget, build a truthful budget. Look at your last 30 days of spending. If you spent $120 on coffee, $90 on takeaway, $60 on random online purchases, then write those numbers down honestly. Now here's the trick, reduce them slowly. Coffee, $120. Takeaway, $90-$70. Small wins stick. Big unrealistic promises collapse. Budget for the person you are, not the saint you wish you were. Here's a funny thing about money advice. It assumes humans behave like robots, but we don't. We get bored. We celebrate. We stress buy snacks. So when people build strict budgets, they leave zero space for mistakes, and that's why one bad purchase destroys the whole plan. Here's the solution I recommend to nearly everyone. Create a category called stupid money. Yes, seriously, every month set aside $30, $50, or $100. This money is for impulse snacks, random gadgets, late-night online purchases. Things you probably didn't need. And here's the magic. When the stupid money runs out, spending stops. Your real budget stays safe. It's a pressure valve for your finances. Wealth isn't built by pretending you're perfect. If you like practical strategies like this, you're in the right place. Want more no-money investing strategies that actually work? Smash the subscribe button plus turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth-building tip. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about saving money. We talk about building real wealth. It might interest you to know that some people have budgets with 27 categories. Groceries, dining out, snacks, coffee, weekend fun, entertainment, transport, subscriptions. By week 3, nobody tracks any of it. Let me give you a simpler method used by many financially successful people. The 3-bucket system. Every dollar goes into just 3 places. Bucket 1, needs, rent, food, transport, utilities. Bucket 2, lifestyle, eating out, shopping, entertainment. Bucket 3, future wealth, savings, investments, business ideas. For example, if you earn $2,500 a month, needs $1,250. Wealth, $500. 3 buckets. Simple, clear, and easy to maintain for years. Because the best budget isn't the most detailed one. It's the one you actually follow. This is one of the biggest financial traps in the world. Most people do this. Income arrives. Bills get paid. Spending happens. And if anything remains, they save it. Which usually means nothing gets saved. Wealthy people reverse the order. They follow a rule called pay yourself first. Let's say you earn $3,000. The moment money arrives, $300 automatically goes to savings or investments. before you even see it. Then you live on the remaining $2,700. Automation removes temptation. It's one of the simplest wealth-building tools on the planet. Now let me ask you something. Be honest. Have you ever created a budget, felt proud for 2 days, and then completely ignored it? If that sounds familiar, let us hear you out in the comments if this video. I just gave you your next investment idea, and share it with one friend who needs to hear this. Because millions of people are stuck in the same cycle. Budget, break it, feel guilty, repeat. And we're breaking that cycle here. This one might sound slightly rebellious, but here it is. You cannot budget your way to wealth. This one might sound slightly rebellious, but here it is. You cannot budget your way to wealth. You can only budget your way to control. There's a limit to how much you can cut. You can cancel subscriptions, stop buying expensive coffee, cook at home. But real wealth comes from growing income and investing the difference. Think about it. Saving $5 on coffee helps, but increasing your income by $500 changes everything. So here's a powerful habit. Every time your budget saves you money, invest part of it. For example, you cut $80 from unnecessary spending, take $40 of that and invest it. Index funds, dividend stocks, learning new skills, starting a small side hustle. Your budget becomes the fuel for wealth, not just a restriction list. Smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth-building tip. Let's recap the 5 real reasons your budget isn't working. 1. You built a fantasy budget. 2. You didn't plan for temptation. 3. Your system is too complicated. 4. You save last instead of first. 5. You focus only on cutting instead of growing. Fix these and your budget stops feeling like punishment. It becomes a tool of freedom. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of millions of people who ignore their finances completely. But knowledge alone doesn't build wealth. Action does. So here's your move. Comment Empire below if you're ready to turn small money into big wealth. Let's see how many future millionaires are watching right now. And remember this. Building an empire doesn't happen by accident. If you learned something valuable today, like this video. And subscribe to join the Wealth Empire TV family. Also do someone a favor. Share this video with someone stuck living paycheck to paycheck. Your share could change their financial future. Then subscribe for more game-changing strategies. And before you go, which investing tip hit home for you? Comment your biggest takeaway below, like if you're taking action. And subscribe for weekly wealth upgrades. Because this channel isn't just about money. It's about building something bigger. A community of people who refuse to stay broke. Share it to spread the knowledge. And subscribe to stay ahead in the money game. So remember this simple rule. Don't just watch, act. Like this if you're committed to financial freedom. Share it to spread the knowledge. And subscribe to stay ahead in the money game. And subscribe to Wealth Empire TV for more. And one last thing. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe right now for more low to no money investing secrets. And turn knowledge into real wealth. If you're in this journey with us, comment Wealth Empire if you're in. Like to show support, share to help others rise, and subscribe so we can grow this community into an unstoppable force. Now, watch this next video to effortlessly boost your financial powers. I'll see you in the next video.